everybody, how are you? Welcome to my videos. Today I'll be showing you some cool stuff. Oh, today we're going to be taking apart a Wii. Yeah, had that little white console. I don't play games, but my teacher gave it to me because it was broken. So anyway, besides that, little update on my leg. Accidentally, while I was pulling up into my driveway, because I ride my bike to school, I was thinking, oh yeah, cool stuff. My foot slipped off the pedal, and kind of put my heel to the metal. So it kind of looks like this now. Look at that. That looks manly. That looks brutal, but manly. You got the exact scratches from where the pedal prongs are, because I have an iron pedal for like extra stability. And besides that, I think that's pretty good. Pretty manly. So anyway, we get to taking a part of it very, very, very soon. Teacher had a broken Wii. That's kind of how it looks. Nintendo. I don't play games, so I have more fun taking it apart than actually playing on it. So he says there's a game stuck in here. There it says Wii. So I'm interested to see what's inside. Alright, so we got the front panel off, we got the side panel off. This is kind of how it looks. Looks pretty good. So kind of silver, and I don't know. So there's a heatsink, so the fan. So we're gonna have some fun. Alright, we got the little metal cap off. Pretty good. Okay, so figured out what kind of game is stuck in here. Super Mario Galaxy. So here we have two wires. If I can focus. Alright, two wires right here. Hook up a battery to it. Oh. There you go. It's Mario. Yeah. This seems to be pretty okay. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So after all that, here's the board from the TV reader. Here's this circuit board, which is basically the main board of everything. Take this off. We got those two processors on there. Pretty cool heatsink. Well, if you didn't know, aluminum used to be very hard to find metal, and it at one point was almost twice as valuable as gold. So this would be worth like $200. Yeah, pretty cool. But here is probably like a gold board on steroids. Look at that. Look at all that gold. 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 Oh god. Oh yeah, there's that density putty. Alright. Oh, here's the fan. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, we're done. Cool. So, I'm being a little quiet because it's kind of late. And, so, I guess it's a pretty cool adventure. Have all our parts laid out. I'd say we got extremely lucky with this board. I did not expect to find a board with gold at all on it, let alone this much. This will probably be up of value because you have the. I'm glad that Nintendo takes the time to make their own processors. Yeah, it says Nintendo on there. Unlike some companies that I know don't. Yeah, I gotta say, pretty cool. Sorry for that light, it's just super bright. 18-year-old. I have light bulbs that are supposed to last 18 years. So, anyway, hope you guys last 18 years too, or longer. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, it helps. And as always, don't hit your foot on a pedal. It'll hurt. And anyway, as always, you'll see me in the next video. Bye-bye.